Hi, I'm Laurie Calvert. This is an unboxing video. Today it is Rogue, a steampunk locomotive. It's actually sort of diesel punk really, because she is a little bit diesel punk, or he. On the rear of the box are the other items in the range. All of the 9 items are rolling stock, but note the packaging. It's got really clean, nice looking design. Rivets and a little bit of nice logo there, some gears, typical steampunk stuff, but also the colours are just right. It's got a nice glossy finish. This is a nice quality presentation. I'm going to open up the box now. I use a knife. That is a nice gentle way. Take the model out. Inside there you'll find the insert card. This contains all of the details for Rogue and explains that it is owned by the ladies, the Diesel Dames, and it has a little bit of description on there which is nice. That gives a bit of story to the whole science fiction steampunk idea. Steampunk is a fusion of the Victorian age with the future. We also have a maintenance sheet in here. It tells you how and where to lubricate your locomotive if you need to. And then this is the internal blister. The blister pack just slides off quite simply like that. It's quite an easy way to get your model out, and it also protects it. Unclip that, lift that open. And there for the first time is this Rogue model. There's a bit of plastic there as well. It's also protecting it. Wow, so that is Rogue. Now Rogue is a nice chunky engine. It's actually got a little fatter during the design process, and that is fine. Gives it some real weight. This is going to have some pulling power, this one. It's got a couple of jet engine type things on the front, and so I presume they supplement the diesel power. It can do whatever you want really. That's the nice thing about science fiction and these models. You can make them fit into the world however you wish to do that. So there's all these strange details over the diesel body. Do make it look rather cool, I think. I love this one, and the fact that it's got a little face. It's got these little eyes. It just wants to say hello. So friendly. This is a resin body, so it gives it some weight, and that's different to a normal plastic body. I think that would just come off. I'm not actually going to take that off though. It seems quite nicely on at the moment. And there may be a little bit of room inside. It was a hollow body. So that is Rogue, and it is part of the range along with the Speedy, Fast, Fearless and the more powerful Leander. Let's put them all there. There you have all 3. Which is your favourite? How does Rogue run? Some slow speed throttle. Now I haven't even run these in. These are literally just as they come out of the box. As this Loco warms up, it's definitely performing better, and of course that is exactly what you would expect anyhow as the motor warms up. This locomotive is quite heavy, so I think it has some pulling power. I've got some scales here, and if I weigh a regular Smoky Joe, which is what the locomotives are based on, that's 122 grams. Rogue, which I suspected to be the heaviest, let's zero that again. It is the heaviest, and it weighs in at 173 grams there. 173. Leander weighs in at 168. It was 169 earlier, 4 grams less. Anyway, it's 5 grams less now. And this one, Fearless, is just 151. So they do vary in weight quite a lot, but Rogue is the heaviest locomotive. So if you want pulling power, that's perhaps the one. If you want speed, it's Fearless. There really isn't much in it, so just go for whatever one you like the look of. So that concludes a review of Rogue. I think it's quite a nice addition to the collection. A diesel punk with nice little jet engine eyes. This is a quick comparison video of all 3 locomotives, Leander, Fearless and Rogue. That's the front end of Leander, the front end of Fearless, and the front end of Rogue. And now if we put them all sideways on, there we are, you get a sideways comparison too. Oh, let me turn it around correct. Now, a sideways comparison too.